Hi guys, it's been a while since my last update on this project. I wasn't able to work on this on the past few weeks and there really isn't much to talk about, but here's today's update on my mini project Orbit. First of all is the background music and sound effects. What I usually do when it comes to music and sound effects is that I browse websites such as freesound.org for audio assets licensed with usually CC 4.0. The problem is that I wasn't able to find the kind of music that I wanted, and the sound effects is not consistent since it is made by different uploaders. What I did is that I made my own music using Bosca Ceoil. I'm sorry if that isn't the right pronunciation for the name, but anyways, the software is free and open source, and I'll put the link down on the description below. It is my first time composing music and sound effects, and I'm not really satisfied with the background music and the slowdown effect, but it is something to start with. I'll let you guys hear it later on the playthrough. Next is the visual update. I changed the static background to make it more alive and flowing. I just hope that it won't distract the player or be mistaken as enemy to be avoided. And then I changed the enemy trails from particles to a line for a cleaner look. Next, I place an orbit marker to show where the last place you switch direction as well as the goal for score multiplier gauge charge. I also fixed the previous bug on wall type enemies and added pop-up notification for events such as orbit and multiplier increase. I'm planning on releasing this next week depending on your feedback. And now, let's proceed to the playthrough. And that will be all for today. Thank you for watching.